Hello again. In some cases, your brick pattern is not aligned with the wall. BrickDesigner tries to avoid cut bricks, but in some cases this is simply impossible. Another way to avoid cut bricks is to match the wall to the nominal brick size. I will now demonstrate an easy way to do this. To simplify, check Bricks to Background. Now check Show Guidelines. Red and green lines are now shown. Red lines indicate a not aligned pattern, whereas green lines indicate correct alignment. Now you can edit the wall to match the guidelines. This can be done in the CAD model. Adjust the wall dimensions as desired. The guidelines will help you. Now go back to BrickDesigner and reselect the wall. As you can see, the brick pattern is now correctly aligned. Alignment can be fixed from within BrickDesigner as well. Please bear in mind that this does not adjust the wall itself in your CAD model. Thank you for watching. See you soon.